The consequences of a nuclear annihilation event would be catastrophic and far-reaching, impacting not only the immediate target areas, but the entire world. Here's a breakdown of the potential immediate effects. Blast. The immediate blast would cause immense destruction, leveling buildings and causing widespread fatalities within a significant radius of the detonation. The overpressure from the blast wave can cause severe injuries and death. Thermal radiation. Intense heat would vaporize materials and cause severe burns at considerable distances. Firestorms could erupt in urban areas, consuming all available oxygen and creating hurricane-force winds. Direct radiation. A burst of lethal ionizing radiation gamma rays and neutrons would kill or severely sicken those exposed within a certain radius. Short-term effects, nuclear fallout. Radioactive particles and dust would be dispersed into the atmosphere, eventually falling back to Earth as fallout. This can contaminate water, food supplies and the environment, leading to radiation sickness with symptoms like hair loss, bleeding, internal hemorrhaging and potentially death. The severity depends on the distance from the blast and the amount of exposure. Electromagnetic, pulse EMP. A high-altitude nuclear detonation could generate an EMP, potentially disabling electronic devices and power grids over a wide area. This could cripple communication, transportation, and essential services. Fires and smoke. Widespread fires, particularly in urban areas, would release massive amounts of smoke and soot into the atmosphere. Long-term effects. Nuclear winter. The large quantities of soot and smoke injected into the upper atmosphere could block sunlight, leading to a significant and prolonged drop in global temperatures. This nuclear winter scenario could disrupt weather patterns, shorten growing seasons, and cause widespread crop failure and famine. Some studies suggest a temperature drop of several degrees Celsius for years. Ozone depletion. Nuclear explosions can produce nitrogen oxides that could damage the ozone layer, increasing the amount of harmful ultraviolet radiation reaching the Earth's surface. This could have detrimental effects on human health, agriculture, and ecosystems. Ecological disruption. The combined effects of blast heat radiation and climate change would devastate ecosystems worldwide, leading to species extinction and long-term environmental damage. Societal collapse. The destruction of infrastructure, loss of life, and environmental devastation could lead to the collapse of societal structures. Mass migration, conflict over resources, and economic breakdown. Long-term health issues. Survivors would face increased risks of cancer, genetic mutations, and other long-term health problems due to radiation exposure. Please like, follow, and share for more updates.